So Eric, you probably hear the power washer going. I got a new tire for it, put my hose on it, started right up. Got a few leaks, but works great. Thank you very much. So Eric, this is my next task. I have a power washer with a good engine and a bad pump. A friend of mine at work gave me a good pump and a bad engine. So I'm going to take the yellow pump, which is an 1.5 inch inlet and an 1.5 inch outlet, which will work great for doing any seawall work. And I'm going to replace it with this bad pump. Good motor, wheels, good to go. Talk to you later. Bye.